if you are getting the error, failed to create the family. Limited accounts are not able to create a family on Steam. Don't worry. This is very easy to fix. This happens because your Steam account is a limited account and limited accounts cannot create or manage Steam family sharing. So to fix this, you simply need to remove the limited account restriction by spending at least $5 on Steam. You can buy any cheap game or just add money to your Steam wallet. Now I'm not gonna show how to add money here. I guess you already know how to do that. You can add using your card, PayPal, or whatever method you prefer. But one important thing you need to know is that gift cards do not count. Even if you redeem a gift card, your account can still remain limited. So make sure you directly add money or purchase something from the Steam store. Now after adding the money, I will show you using my other account which already has money in it. And as you can see, there is no more error saying failed to create a family. Limited accounts are not able to create a family. And yeah, that's how it works. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.